Hi friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we will going to learn about how to create custom artisan command and how to pass argument from custom artisan command. Artisan command is a command line interface which included in Laravel. It provides a number of helpful commands that can be used while you build your application. Okay, so we can see the full artisan list using the PHP artisan list command. PHP artisan and list. Okay, just enter it. So here we can see the full artisan list which are available in Laravel, and some of the command we have already used in our previous example. So here we can see there is option for -h or help. We can use help purpose, and there are some available commands that is for environment, down, help, list. Okay, so we are using list just right now, and we have a migrate command, we have a server command, that is PHP artisan serve, that means our project will run. Okay, so in this way we can see many of these, and we have the config, we have config, cache, auth, dv, event, and in the Laravel 8 there is a new jetstream and liveware. There's the many of artisan command are available in Laravel application. The most used things, that is the make command, that is using make controller, make export, import, or model, whatever we will use using this command. Okay, so here we can see the migrate command, and all of this we can use for our application. So now I want to create our own command in Laravel 8 application. So I want to create a command which will fetch data from the student table. So this is my Laravel 8 application, and here is Laravel 8 database, and inside the database there is a students table. So using my artisan command, we want to fetch all records from student list. So let's create our own artisan command. So go to the command prompt and write PHP artisan make command. Okay, and my command is students. Okay, so we can see the console command created successfully. So if we go to our project directory and just go to the app, and inside the app there is a console, and inside this there is a command. So here we can see a students.php created. So in students.php we have a class that is students, and this is the app console commands namespace. Okay, and we need to configure our command, and we need to provide our description, and we will set our related work for our comments. Okay, so just put here the signature. So basically this will be the command, that is students, and I will fetch the list of the students. So I will use the list, that is in artisan command list this will be included, and using this command we can fetch the records from student table. Okay, so just provide a description. So basically description is like this. So basically the command name and the description. Okay, so this is the command name and description. So I will provide a description for my command. So here are my description is to view all records from student table. Okay, and just go to the handle, and here we need to write our logic. Okay, so before that we have a student model already created, and I have used the protected table, that is students. Okay, so just call this model from the console. So use this app models. So first here use app models, and name of the model, that is student. Okay, so write it here, and in the handle we will call the student class. Okay, so just create a variable, that is students, and call the model, that is student, and I want to add the select command here. So inside the select we will fetch id, name and email. Okay, so just write here id, name and email. Okay, and after that we will set the get here, and we need to set a header. So just use the headers, and the header is array. Just provide the name, id, name and email, and just call these two variables here, this table, and use these two variable, that is headers and students. So our console command configuration done. So now just go to the kernel.php. So here is the kernel.php, and inside the kernel.php just call our student command. Okay, so just go to the namespace section. So here is the namespace, that is app console commands. So here just use app console commands, and after that the class name, that is students. Okay, so write it here, and in comment section just use the class and share double colon and class. Okay, so our kernel.php is set. So if we check our artisan list, we will get a new command, that is students colon list. So just go to the php artisan list. So here we can see inside the students we have students dot list command. This is the description to view all records from student table. So basically this is coming from students.php. So now just run the php artisan custom command. So to run we need to use php artisan students list. Okay, so just enter this, and here you can see the 50 records from the student table. So here if you go to our database, we can see there is 50 records. So this is the records, and we can see this record from the console. So now if we want to pass a argument to this command, how can we pass this? Basically, suppose I want to fetch a record for 1 or 2. So how to pass id for this? So using this id we will fetch a record from this table. So now if we pass argument through our artisan command, so just go to the project directory, and here you can see that is the console command students.php. so now this is our command, that is student list, and I want to pass a id with this. So just paste and add your id variable. Okay, and pass this variable to this handle function, so that we can fetch this record from here, and we will add the clause, that is where clause, and using the where clause we will find the particular record which I provided. Okay, so just write here where, and this is the column name id, and we have a method that is this, and to pass we need to use arguments. Okay, and inside the argument we will provide the id. Okay, so that's all, and now save this file and go to your command prompt, and here this is my custom artisan command, and suppose I need to fetch a record for 50. So just write it here and enter. Okay, so here we can see the record for 50, and if you want to fetch a record for suppose 35, we'll get a record for 35. Okay, so in this way we can create our custom artisan command, and we can pass argument through our artisan command. So please comment if you have any queries about this video. So next day I will discuss about Laravel accessor. Okay, so please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.